Welcome back to our online science classes. Yesterday we started our lesson number 6, Green Plants, the Food Factory. So I explained you that a plant needs sunlight, carbon dioxide, minerals and water to make food by photosynthesis. A green substance is present in the leaf is called a chlorophyll. So leaves of plants are green because they contain a green colored pigment called chlorophyll. The parts of a leaf. A leaf has following parts: a petiole or stalk, lamina or leaf blade, midrib or main vein, side veins or lateral veins, stomata. Petiole stalk attaches the leaf or to the stem. It helps in transportation of water and food to the stem. Lamina, the flat green subsurface of a leaf is called lamina or leaf blade. Midrib or main vein, the main vein runs through the middle of the lamina. Many lateral or side veins arises from the main vein. There are two parallel pipelines in the midrib. One pipeline transports water to the cells and another pipeline transports food from the leaf to all parts of the plant. Stomata, singular stoma. Any tiny pores or holes present mainly on the underside of a leaf. Stomata perform following function. It helps in exchange of gases. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Stomata also give out excess water present in the leaf in the form of water vapor. Functions of a leaf. A green leaf makes food for the plant. Hence it is called kitchen of the plant. Plant exchange gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen air through stomata. Leaves of some plant are eaten as food. Now listen the children. Now listen children how plants make food. Their roots take up water and minerals from the ground and their leaves absorb a gas called carbon dioxide from the air. They convert these ingredients into food by using energy from sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis, which means making out of light. The foods are called glucose and starch. So, sun plus carbon dioxide plus water, it gives glucose plus oxygen. Photo means light, synthesis means mixing. Mixing is taking place in sunlight is called photosynthesis. Do you know how plants make our food? Plants prepare their own food by a process called photosynthesis. Photo is the Greek word for light and synthesis is the Greek word for putting together. So plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide from air and water to prepare their own food. So photosynthesis takes place in the leaves of a plant. Now see children, book. How plants make food. Plants absorb water from the soil through roots and carbon dioxide from the air through the stomata. Chlorophyll on the leaves uses sunlight for making food. The sunlight changes the water and carbon dioxide into a kind of sugar called glucose. Glucose is the food for the plants. Oxygen is also produced in this process. So, see the picture here. The process by which plants make food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. So, see here picture, the plants get taking water and carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. So, the glucose, oxygen and some water vapor are produced during the photosynthesis. The oxygen and water vapor go out through stomata. Glucose provides energy to the plants. It also helps in the growth of the plant. Extra glucose produced by plants are also stored in the form of starch in their roots, stems, leaves and fruits. So we are eating fruits also, na? We are getting from the plants. So plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide from air and water from the soil to prepare their own food. So this process is called photosynthesis. Now we will do your activity. See the book. Take a potato, cut it into 2 pieces. Put a few drops of iodine on one half of the potato cut side and keep it aside. Now take the other half, crush it a mortar and pestle. Squeeze some juice from the custard crushed potato into a watch glass. Now put a drop of iodine on the liquid. What do you observe? You will see both the pieces of potato and its juice turn blue-black in color. Starch, when reacts with iodine, turns the blue-black. It shows potato contains starch, which is the extra stored food made by the potato leaves. So see children picture, when we are doing the practical half potato, peeled potato, when we are putting iodine, it turns the blue black. It shows potato contains starch, which is the extra stored food made by the potato leaves. Now the starch test. Many different food groups contain a carbohydrate known as starch. Using an iodine solution, you can test for the presence of starch. With the help of iodine only, we can find the presence of starch. When starch is present, the iodine changes from brown to blue-black or a purple. So, by changing the color, we know this is present a starch. So children, beetroot and carrot are the roots that store extra food that we are eating raw. Sugarcane and potato are the stems that store extra food starch. So sugarcane also and potato are the stems and these store the extra food starch. All fruits store extra sugar in their pulp. Now see the picture, beetroot, carrot, potato and sugarcane. Now so you have to draw this photosynthesis diagram in your science copy and you have to show the name also, and root, leaf, oxygen, sunlight, carbon dioxide. You have to write the name also. So neat and clean you have to draw in the science copy. So children, pre-midterm exam science portion. So your lesson will be lesson 1, 2 and 3. Lesson 1, tasting to digesting food. Lesson 2, teeth and tooth care. Lesson 3, follow rules and be safe. So pre-midterm exam will be based on multiple choice question. You have to learn from book also. We can ask any question from the book also. Thank you.